Welcome back to my channel. For today, we will talk about solving word problems involving linear equations in two variables. So for today, ito muna yung ating problem. Melvin's age is 3 years more than twice Annie's age. The sum of their ages is 39. How old are they? So first, we have to understand kung anong meron dun sa problem. So the first condition states that Melvin's age is 3 years more than twice Annie's age. So with that, we write Melvin's age is equal to twice ng age ni Annie. So that will be twice, meaning 2. Twice down ng age ni Annie, dagdagan daw ng 3 kasi 3 years more. Next, second condition is that the sum of their ages is 39. So that will be Melvin's age plus Annie's age is equal to 39. So with this, kung mapapansin nyo, meron dalawang terms dyan na magkapareho. Yung part po na to at ito. Okay? So with this, we can denote it as variable x kasi yung age ni Annie, dun dumedepende yung age ni Melvin. So with this, palitan natin siya ng x, variable x, kasi hindi pa natin siya known. So yung part na to, magiging x. Okay? Now, how about Melvin's age? So from the given, Melvin's age is 2 times Annie's age plus 3. So since Annie's age is already the variable x, that will be 2x plus 3. So yun ang ipapalit natin dito. 2x plus 3 is equal to 39. Now, from this equation, from this linear equation, ang pwede nating i-combine dyan ay yung parehong may variable x. So, ito yon. Tapos, ito naman, ililipat natin sa kabila. Kasi, pareho naman silang constants. Okay? So, with this, do not forget na may 1 po dito bago mag-x. Okay? So, 2x plus 1x, that will be 3x, is equal to 39. Then, pag nilipat po yung plus 3, magiging minus 3. So, solve for this muna. So, 3x is equal to 36 kasi 39 minus 3, 36. Then, you only have to identify the value for x. So, since your x here, merong 3 na coefficient, you divide both sides by 3 para ma-cancel out po yun. So, your value for x is 12. Okay? Kasi 36 divided by 3, that will be 12. At sino ba si x natin dito? Si x, yun po yung age ni Annie. So, for your final answers, ulit na natin. Annie's age is 12 years old. So, 12 years old na si Annie. So, for Melvin's age, paano malalaman yung age ni Melvin? So, base dito, 2x plus 3. So, yung age ni Annie, which is 12, multiplied by 2, that will be 24. 24 plus 3, that will be 27 years old. How will you know if this is correct? If you try to add the 2, the answer must be 39. So, 12 plus 27, so 2 plus 7, that will be 9. 1 plus 2, that will be 3. So, 39 yung sum ng ages nila. So, tama yung answer natin. Another application ng linear equations in two variables sa distance traveled. So, for example, na-lift na yung travel ban. Okay? Lifted na, meaning pwede ka lang mamasyal. Sana all. So, let's say ito yung house mo. So, pupunta ka sa airport. So, papasensyahan nyo na yung drawing ko, ha? Yan. So, from your house going to the airport, you must travel 6 kilometers. Ganun kalayo. Yung bahay mo doon sa airport. And then, ang means of transportation lang na meron ka ay pagsakay sa taxi. Si taxi, merong 40 pesos na flat rate. Ano ibig sabihin ng flat rate? Ito yung amount na babayaran mo once na pumasok ka doon sa taxi na wala pang distance traveled. Okay. And then, for every 200 meters traveled, may babayaran ka na 5 pesos. So, 0 from your house, bigay ka 40 pesos. And then, 200 meters travel from your house going to a certain point, magbabayad ka na additional 5 pesos. So, magiging 45 pesos na siya. And then, another 200 meters, so additional 5 pesos ulit, so magiging 50 pesos na yung travel mo. Ay, amount na bibigay mo. So, gawa tayo ng table para mas maayos nating makikita yung problem. So, let us say that your distance traveled is X. This is in meters, kasi in meters ka. Okay? And then, if your variable X is the distance traveled in meters, yung amount na babayaran, yun po si Y. Okay. Now, sabi dyan, 40 pesos yung flat rate. So, wala ka pang nata-travel, meron ka nang babayaran na 40 pesos. Kapag nadagdagan ka na ng 200 meters from your house, magbabayad ka na ng additional 5 pesos. So, magiging 45 na siya. Another 200 meters, so 400 na traveled from your house. Ang babayaran mo na doon ay 50 pesos. Okay. Now, ang tanong sa'yo dyan, magkano yung babayaran mo from your house going to the airport kung meron kang i-travel na 6 kilometers? Okay, so ang gagawin natin muna is to create the equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, dito, kailangan mo si slope tsaka si y-intercept. So, paano natin makukuha si slope? Ang formula ng slope ay rise over run, or yung formula niya na y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Kailangan mo ng dalawang points. So, paano mo makukuha yung dalawang points using the table? Always remember, pag sinabi nating point, coordinate po siya, x, y. Meron kang x, y dito. So, yung partners na to, that will be 1 point. And then, another partners here, yun yung second point mo. Okay? Kasi ito yung value for x, ito yung value for y, value for x, value for y. So, makakagawa tayo ng points natin out of those. So, ang point natin dito ay 0, 40. Ang point natin dito ay 245. Huwag kayo masyado matakot sa numbers, ha? Kung malaki yung numbers. Okay lang yan. So, if this is your first point, ito yung x sub 1, y sub 1. Second point, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, let's compute for the slope first. So, balikan natin yung formula. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Our y sub 2 is 45, minus y sub 1 is 40. So, 45 minus 40 all over, our x sub 2 is 200 minus 0. 200 minus 0. 45 minus 40 is 5. And then, 200 minus 0 is 200. Lowest term po niya, 1 over 40. Kasi divisible sila both by 5. So, 5 divided by 5, that will be 1. 200 divided by 5, that will be 40. So, our slope is 1 over 40. So, yun yung pwede natin ipalit doon sa n. So, meron na tayong y is equal to 1 over 40x. Now, sino tong b? Siya po si y-intercept. Si y-intercept po, ito po yung value ng, na nasa y-axis kung saan po dadaan yung line natin. So, paano po ba nalalaman si y-intercept? Si y-intercept po ay yung may 0 na value for x. So, sino po dito yung value na y na kung saan may x na 0? Ito po siya. Okay? So, paano mo nalaman na siya yung y-intercept? Itong si 40. So, kung i-graph natin ito, kung i-graph po natin yan, ito yung x-axis, ito yung y-axis. 0 si x, so ito yung 0 kay x. Tapos, 40 kay y, kasi ito yung 40. Nandito yung first point mo. 0 kay x, 40 kay y. So, kung makikita mo kaagad na yung point na yun, dun dadaan yung line. na mamubuo natin if ever na ipa-plot mo lahat yan. So, to make things short, to identify the y-intercept, hanapin mo lang yung 0 ang x value. So, 0 ang x value, ito siya. So, yung kapartner niya doon sa y, yun yung y-intercept. So, our y-intercept is 40. Now, from this, we can now be able to solve for the amount to be paid from your house going to the airport. Kasi yun yung y. Our y is the amount. Okay? So, paano mo natin malalaman yung x? X is the distance traveled in meters. But, you're given, or what you need, or what you have is in kilometers. So, what you're going to do is to convert 6 kilometers into meters. Kasi yun yung nasa table natin. Ang nasa table natin dito, distance traveled in meters. So, turuan ko muna kayo mag-convert. Madali lang naman. So, ang target natin, 6 kilometers. Diba? 6 km. Now, use multiplication symbol. Or pwedeng huwag ng x kasi lagi na tayong gumagamit ng x sa algebra. So, let's use dot. Now, kung kilometers yung given mo, kilometers din dapat tong nasa ilalim. Then, kung ano yung hinahanap mo, kasi in meters tong nasa table natin, yun yung nasa taas. Now, kung sino sa kanila yung may mataas na value? Siyempre, si kilometers. So, doon mo ilalagay yung 1. Now, sa 1 kilometer, ilan ang meters mo? There are 1,000 meters. Now, to solve for this, canceled out, yung nandito at yung nandito. Then, you just multiply 6 by 1,000, then divided by 1. So, 6 times 1,000, that is 6,000, divided by 1, that is 6,000 meters. So, in short, there are 6,000 meters out of 6 kilometers. So, ito yung kailangan mong i-travel. Okay? So, ito yung ipapalit natin dun sa x. Kasi, ito na yung distance traveled. Okay? Yun yung final natin. From the house going to the airport. So, ito yung ipapalit natin dun sa x. 6,000. Let's solve. So, y is equal to 1 over 40. Our x is 6,000 plus 40. Now, to solve for this, 1 times 6,000, so 6,000 divided by 40. So, 6,000 divided by 40, ilan po yun? So, there is only 140 out of 60. So, 40 minus 20, bring down 1 0. So, that will be 5, 200, then 0, 150. So, there are 150 here, then plus 40. Now, 150 plus 40, that will be 190. So, this is in pesos. Okay? So, meaning to say, you have to pay 190 pesos from your house going to the airport because you have to travel 6 kilometers. So, kung this will be our lesson for today. So, if hindi ka pa masyadong nakakanood ng videos ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.